Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Delta Synchro Bonded Leather Posture Chair. Assembly Guide. Included in the box are seat pad with mechanism attached, backrest, a pair of arms, 5-star base, 5 casters, gas strut cover, 4 45mm bolts, 4 washers, 4 bolt caps, 2 Allen keys, and 4 18mm bolts which are pre-inserted into their respective holes to prevent them from getting lost during transit. Use the Allen key provided to remove these. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Take the gas strut cover and place it over the gas strut like this. Next, slide the backrest between the seat pad and the mechanism like this. Secure using the 4 18mm bolts. Insert the bolts through the mechanism into the back of the seat. Do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. Now to attach the arms using the 45mm bolts and washers. Line up the arms with the holes in the side of the backrest and seat and secure using the 45mm bolts, making sure the washer is between the arm and the fabric. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Again, do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. With the help of another person, lift the chair onto the gas strut. You should feel it slot into the hole in the base of the chair. Next, insert the 4 bolt caps over the holes in the arms. Lastly, place the lumbar pump in the velcro fastening for easy access. Please keep the Allen keys to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it. Your new Delta posture chair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.